Hey there, very quickly, this is a power strip or surge protector. This is called the Wisdom Bravery, so I guess you have to be pretty smart and daring to use it. Wonder why. Where is it made? Gotta be smart and daring. Made in... No wonder you have to be daring to use it. Hopefully it's still good. So it has the usual 6 strips or 6 outlets. 14 AWG wire, 6 footer, and it should be 15 watts, amps max load. Yeah, usually it's 15. You got 15 amps max, 125 volts AC power, and 1875 watts. So the usual. Keep relocatable power taps. Keep away from children. And don't pee inside there. Don't stick your tongue in there. The usual. I don't know. Anyway, let's test it out. Should be fine. My little girly, well, the heck is that? Oh god, look, a little strawberry shortcake one. Plug my phone in, see if it works. You can't see it, but I can. And it's working good, so yeah, pretty good. So Wisdom Bravery 6-foot power surge protector. There you go. That's it.